Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is for all you ambitious 14-year-olds out there who are eager to make some money. In this no bull asterisk hit guide, I'll be sharing practical steps and tips to help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. So buckle up and watch it until the end so you don't miss any step on the way. Let's dive in. Step 1. Leverage your skills and talents. The first step to making money at 14 is to identify your skills and talents. Do you have a knack for graphic design, writing, or maybe you're a coding whiz? Figure out what you're good at and passionate about. This will form the foundation for your money-making ventures. Step 2. Offer services locally. Now that you know your strengths, let's find ways to monetize them. Start by offering services within your local community. For example, if you're skilled at graphic design, you could create logos or design flyers for small businesses in your neighborhood. Don't underestimate the power of your skills. Step 3. Start an online store. With the rise of e-commerce, setting up an online store is easier than ever. Explore platforms like Etsy or Shopify, where you can sell handmade crafts, customized merchandise, or digital products like printables. Remember to create eye-catching product listings and market your store on social media. Step 4. Become a social media influencer. If you're comfortable in front of the camera and have a passion for a particular niche, consider becoming a social media influencer. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram or TikTok that resonates with your target audience. As your following grows, you can collaborate with brands and earn money through sponsorships and partnerships. Step 5. Monetize your hobbies on YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic platform to showcase your talents and hobbies. Whether it's gaming, cooking, DIY projects, or playing an instrument, create compelling videos and build a loyal audience. As your channel grows, you can earn money through ad revenue, brand deals, and fan support using features like YouTube memberships or Patreon. Step 6. Babysitting and pet sitting. If you enjoy spending time with kids or pets, consider offering babysitting or pet sitting services. Advertise your services in local communities, neighborhood groups, or through word of mouth. Make sure to be responsible, reliable, and provide excellent care to build a solid reputation. Step 7. Participate in online surveys and microtasks. While it may not make you rich overnight, participating in online surveys and microtasks can be a great way to earn some extra pocket money. Look for reputable platforms like Swagbucks or Amazon Mechanical Turk, where you can complete surveys, watch videos, or perform small online tasks. Step 8. Organize garage sales or flea markets. Turn unwanted items into cash by organizing garage sales or participating in local flea markets. Clear out your closet, attic, or garage and sell items that are in good condition but no longer needed. It's a win-win situation, decluttering your space while making money. Step 9. Tutoring or homework. Help. If you excel in a particular subject or have strong academic skills, offer tutoring or homework help to your peers or younger students. You can advertise your services through school notice boards, local tutoring centers, or online platforms like tutor.com or Wizent. Step 10. Save and invest. Congratulations! You've started making money, but it's equally important to develop good financial habits. Learn the importance of saving and budgeting your earnings. Consider opening a savings account and explore opportunities for long-term investments, such as stocks or a low-cost index fund, to grow your wealth over time. And there you have it, a no-bull asterisk hit guide on how to make money as a 14-year-old. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. So go out there, embrace your entrepreneurial spirit, and start making that money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other ambitious teens. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling. Take care.